Hi YouTube, this is Tim from Baltimore, Maryland. This is my bike. It's Eastern Element. I did a black and white theme. It's pretty sweet. It's my pet tiger. It's Larry. It's pretty sweet. Shut up. I got stock wheels, stock rim, stock front hub. I'm gonna get all that and change it later. I got the Primo Strand forks, really light. Got a little cutout right here. It's pretty sweet. Demolition PA bars, really good bars. Stock stem. Gonna get a new stem later. I got new grips, S&M grips, great grips ever. They're like so freaking nice as shit. I got the Odyssey Senior seat thing. Oh, you know, really good. It's padded. Look at that. It's really nice. Got the Colony Fantastic Plastic in black pedals. I got these pegs. If you can hear that, that is plastic. These are fucking nice as shit. You can get these on Dan's Comp for like 15 bucks. You can grind literally everything, like, and it does not break at all. People think like it would break, but it doesn't. Black and white dice, go with the theme. Got the Shadow Conspiracy chain, really nice. Stock. Sounds really good. Ow. Stock cranks, I'll get them later. A little cutout on the rim. Sweet. And that's my bike.